Your body is made of many different parts. These parts are called body systems, and each one has a specific function. It takes three of these systems to make you move: the skeletal system, the nervous system, and the muscular system. Let's see how they all work together to get the job done. Number 1. The skeletal system is the foundation of your body. It provides support and protection to your muscular system. Number 2. The nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and bundles of neurons running all around your body. The nervous system tells your muscles when and how to do the job. Number 3. The muscular system does the actual job. Let's see how muscles convert energy into motion to get the job done. By job, I'm referring to the sequence of contraction and relaxation, because that is all muscles can do. In order to do that, they need two things: energy in the form of ATP and calcium ions. We are fed, well rested, and ready to start running. It's time to let the muscles know. It all starts from the brain. The brain sends information which tells the muscles what to do. It does so through motor neurons. Motor neurons are long, thin, and branch wires which transport electrical signals across the body. These motor neurons transport orders from the brain to the muscles about the job which has to be done. Signal travels all the way to the end of the motor neurons called synapses. In a synapse, the information is converted from electrical impulse into chemical information, called neurotransmitters. A neurotransmitter is just a molecule that the neuron uses to transmit a message. The neurotransmitter, which is used to transform information from nervous system to muscle cell, is called acetylcholine. Acetylcholine binds to the receptor on a muscle cell, causing depolarization of the membrane and the release of calcium ions from the special storage unit called sarcoplasmic reticulum. We need these calcium ions to trigger a conformation change in a proteins, which build muscles so they can do the job. First, calcium ions binds to the protein troponin. Troponin acts like a lock on the other proteins, so they don't move until brain says it's okay. Next, troponin changes its conformation and moves another protein, tropomyosin, out of the way, so myosin can bind to the actin and causes the muscle to contract. We can see that this is a play of four proteins, which need to be at specific conformation to contract. This is all triggered by the release of calcium ions. The first part is done. In order to finish the job, now the muscles need to relax. In this step, we need energy in the form of ATP. ATP binds to the myosin, which holds actin, and forces it to release actin, so muscles can relax. Next, myosin transforms to high energy position, in which it is ready to grab and pull actin again. It's just waiting for two signals. First is binding calcium ion to troponin, and second, it's releasing the phosphate group, which is the product of breaking down ATP. After that, myosin binds again. It is a loop. This process goes on and on with different intensity and speed until the brain decides the job is done and stop firing calcium ions. ATP will be just stored for later use in muscles. That is how the energy is transformed into motion.